Hello everyone, welcome back to Leo and Lila.
Today, we will learn English very simply and easily.
Don't worry, just relax and have fun while learning.
That's right, learning English should be enjoyable.
I'm Leo.
And I'm Lila.
Lila, look out the window. There is a car with flashing lights. Wee-oo, wee-oo.
Is it an ambulance or the police?
It is the police. I'm nervous. Did I steal a cookie? Did I cross the street on a red light?
Leo, relax. The police are there to protect us. We call them law enforcement.
But I always feel guilty when I see them, even if I did nothing wrong.
That is a common feeling, but today we are going to learn how to talk to the police.
This is a very important topic. If you are in trouble in a foreign country, you need these words.
We will learn how to make an emergency call.
We will learn how to report a crime, like if someone steals your phone.
We will learn how to describe a suspect. Was he tall? Was he wearing a mask?
And we will learn what to say if the police stop your car. License and registration, please.
And finally, Leo will tell us the story of the time he was arrested, almost.
I was not arrested. I was detained. It was a misunderstanding.
We will hear about that later. First, let's start with the most critical situation, emergencies.
Imagine you are in danger. You need help now. What number do you call?
It depends on the country. This is very important.
In the USA and Canada, the number is 911.
In the UK, the number is 999.
In Europe and many other places, it is 112.
You must know the local number. So, you dial the number. Ideally, you speak the local language, but usually they have English operators.
The operator will answer, 911, what is your emergency?
You must be calm. I know, it is hard. You must say, I need the police.
Or I need an ambulance for health, or I need the fire department for fire.
But today we focus on police. Say clearly, I want to report a crime.
Or if it's happening right now, say, please help me.
What are some common emergencies?
Someone is breaking into my house.
This is a burglary. Break in means to enter illegally.
I am being followed.
Someone is walking behind you. It's scary.
There is a fight.
Two people are hitting each other.
I have been robbed.
Note the difference between robbed and stolen.
Explain.
You rob a person or a place. They robbed the bank. He robbed me. He used force.
But you steal an object. He stole my phone.
You cannot say he stole me. That means he put you in his pocket.
That would be kidnapping.
So, I was robbed, the action against you. My phone was stolen, the object.
Okay, so you call 911. The next question is the most important one.
What is your location?
If you don't know where you are, they can't help you.
If you are on a street, look for signs. I am at the corner of Main Street and Fifth Avenue.
I am in front of the supermarket.
I am near the train station.
If you are inside, give the address. 123 Apple Street, apartment 4B.
Memorize the address of your hotel or house.
Can I send my GPS location?
Sometimes yes, but you must be able to speak it.
What if I can't speak?
In some countries, you can text 911, or if you stay silent and press buttons, they trace the call.
That is good to know.
Now, let's learn some useful verbs for emergencies.
To scream. Ah!
To attack, when someone tries to hurt you. He attacked me.
To threaten. When someone says they will hurt you, he threatens me with a knife.
To witness, to see a crime. I witnessed an accident.
To escape. To run away. The thief escaped.
Let's practice a short emergency call. Leo, you call me.
Ring, ring.
911, what is your emergency?
Hello, I need the police. Someone is stealing my car.
Okay, sir, are you safe?
Yes, I am in the house. The car is in the driveway.
What is your location?
55 Baker Street. Please hurry.
Officers are on the way. Stay on the line.
Stay on the line? Does that mean stand on a rope?
No, stay on the line means do not hang up the phone. Keep talking.
Ah, okay. I will wait.
That was a good example. Clear and fast.
My heart is beating fast just pretending.
Now, let's talk about non-emergency situations.
What is a non-emergency?
When the crime happened yesterday, or you lost your wallet, or your neighbor is playing loud music.
If my neighbor plays loud techno at 3 a.m., that feels like an emergency.
It is annoying, but nobody is dying. Do not call 911 for loud music.
So, who do I call?
There is usually a non-emergency number. In the UK, it is 101. In other places, look it up.
Or you go to the police station.
Yes, you walk in and talk to the officer at the desk.
This is called filing a report.
I want to file a police report. Or, I want to make a statement.
Why do I need a report? Can't I just cry?
If you want to claim insurance, get money back for your stolen phone, you need a police report.
Ah, no report, no money.
Exactly. So you need to know how to describe what happened.
And describe what was stolen.
Let's move to part 2, how to talk about theft and lost items.
I once lost a very expensive cheese. Can I report that?
I don't think the police investigate stolen cheese, Leo.
But it was Gouda. It was very Gouda.
Stop with the puns. Let's learn vocabulary.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, let's imagine you are at the police station. You are safe, but you are sad because your bag is gone.
I am very sad. It was my favorite bag. It had a picture of a cat on it.
You approach the officer. In the UK, we might call them constable. In the US, just officer.
Excuse me, officer. I want to report a theft.
The officer will ask, "What happened?"
You need to use the past tense.
My bag was stolen. Passive voice, very common.
Or, someone stole my bag. Active voice.
Or, I lost my passport.
I was pickpocketed.
Ooh, good word. A pickpocket is a thief who takes things from your pocket without you knowing.
They are like magicians, but evil.
I was on the metro and I was pickpocketed.
The officer will ask, when did it happen?
About an hour ago. Yesterday afternoon.
Then, where did it happen?
In the Central Park. On the bus. At a cafe.
Then, the big question, what was taken or what is missing?
You need to list the items. List of contents.
My wallet, my keys, my phone,
My ID card. My credit cards. Cash.
and my cheese.
Leo, forget the cheese. The officer will ask for a description of the items.
Describe the bag.
You need colors, materials, and brands.
It is a black leather bag.
It is a blue canvas backpack.
It has a logo. It says Nike.
It is small and square.
If it is a phone, it is an iPhone 14. It has a pink case.
The more details, the better. Do you have the serial number?
Who remembers their serial number?
You should write it down somewhere. It helps the police find it.
Okay, I will write it on my forehead.
Write it in a notebook, Leo.
What if I lost my passport? This is a crisis for tourists.
I lost my passport. The police will give you a report number.
Then you take that number to your embassy.
Yes, the police don't give you a new passport. The embassy does.
But the embassy needs the police report to prove you didn't just sell it.
Exactly. So don't be afraid to go to the police station, even if your English is basic.
You can say, I don't speak English very well. Do you have an interpreter?
An interpreter is a translator for speaking.
Most police stations have access to language lines.
Now, what if you saw the thief?
I saw him. He was running away with my Gouda.
You need to describe the suspect.
A suspect is the person who maybe did the crime.
Police use a system called identification.
Was it a man or a woman?
How old was he? In his 20s, in his 40s.
How tall was he? He was tall, he was short, he was average height.
What about his build? He was thin, he was muscular, he was chubby.
And the face, hair color? Blonde hair, dark hair, bald?
Bald means no hair, like an egg.
Did he have a beard, a mustache, glasses?
And very important, clothing.
He was wearing a red hoodie.
A hoodie is a sweater with a hood. Thieves love hoodies in movies.
He was wearing blue jeans and white sneakers.
He was wearing a mask.
If you can describe the clothes, the police can find him on CCTV cameras.
CCTV, closed circuit television. The security cameras on the street.
Check the cameras, officer. He went that way.
You watch too many movies, Leo. Usually, you just fill out a form.
A boring form? No dramatic chase?
Usually, no. Just paperwork.
Paperwork is the real crime.
Okay, we know how to report a theft, but what if the police stop you?
Oh no, the flashing lights in the mirror.
Traffic stops.
Pull over.
This is a very stressful situation, especially in a foreign country. You need to know exactly what to do and say.
Do I run?
Never run. That makes you look guilty.
Do I cry?
You can, but it won't help.
We will teach you the correct phrases in the next part.
And we will learn about fines, tickets, and warnings.
And how to ask a policeman for directions without getting arrested.
Stay tuned.
Okay, let's talk about traffic stops. You are driving, you are singing along to the radio. La la la.
And then you see blue lights behind you and you hear the siren. Whoop whoop.
My heart stops. What do I do?
Step 1, pull over.
To pull over means to move your car to the side of the road and stop safely.
Step 2, stay in the car.
Do not get out. In some countries, like the US, getting out of the car is seen as aggressive.
Keep your hands on the steering wheel where the officer can see them.
Step 3, roll down the window.
The officer will approach and say, "Good afternoon. Do you know why I pulled you over?"
This is a trick question.
If you say, "Yes, I was speeding," you just confessed.
So what should I say?
Say, "No, officer, I don't." Be polite.
Then the officer will tell you, you were speeding.
Or you ran a red light.
Or one of your lights is broken, a busted taillight.
Then the magic phrase, "License and registration, please."
License is your driver's card. Registration is the paper that proves you own the car.
In Europe, they might ask for insurance papers too.
Tell the officer before you move your hands. My license is in my bag.
Good advice. No sudden movements.
Now you have two options. You can apologize or you can make an excuse.
Apologizing is usually better. "I'm sorry, officer. I didn't realize how fast I was going."
I'm sorry, I missed a sign.
If you have a good excuse, keep it short. "I am rushing to the hospital." Only if it's true.
I'm rushing to the toilet.
That might work. Officers are human too.
The officer will go to his car, check your name, and come back.
He might give you a warning.
A warning is good. It means no money. Just be careful next time.
Or he might give you a ticket or a fine.
A piece of paper that says you have to pay $100. Ouch.
Do not argue on the road. If you disagree, you go to court later. Arguing with the officer usually makes it worse.
Just say, "Thank you, officer," even if you're angry.
And drive away slowly.
Very slowly, like a grandma.
Now, let's talk about friendly police interactions.
Police are not just for crimes. They help people.
If you are lost in a city, a police officer is the best person to ask.
"Excuse me, officer. I'm lost.
"Can you help me find the train station?"
Is it safe to walk here at night?"
They are public servants. They are usually happy to help tourists.
I once asked a policeman for a selfie.
Did he say yes?
Yes, in London. He was wearing the tall hat, the helmet.
A bobby. Yes, they are famous for that.
So don't be afraid. Respect them, but don't fear them.
Unless you really did steal the cheese.
I plead the fifth. That means I stay silent.
Smart.
Okay, now are you ready for my story? The burglar incident?
Oh, this is a good one. It involves Leo, a window, and a very misunderstood situation.
It was humiliating.
Tell us everything.
Ideally, we learn from our mistakes, but my mistake was very embarrassing.
Set the scene, Leo.
It was winter. It was cold. It was dark. 10 p.m.
Okay.
I arrived home after work. I put my hand in my pocket to get my keys.
And?
No keys. Empty. Nada.
You lost your keys?
Yes, I was locked out of my own house. I was freezing.
What did you do? Did you call a locksmith?
No, locksmiths are expensive. I decided to be creative.
Oh,